The T42S supports static forwarding and dynamic forwarding. To use the call forward function, you can configure your phone to forward incoming calls. There are mainly three types of static forwarding as follows. Always forward, whereby incoming calls are immediately forwarded. Busy forward, incoming calls will be immediately forwarded if the phone is busy. And no answer forward, where calls are forwarded if not answered after a period of time. To configure your phone to forward incoming calls to another party using static forwarding, press the menu and select Features. Select Call Forward, and then choose the related call forwarding type. Enter the set page. After the settings are complete, press OK or Save to exit. The call forwarding icon will be shown in the top of the phone's LCD screen. When the phone receives a call, it will be forwarded. Meanwhile, the LCD screen will display the call forwarding information. You can press View to check the forwarding record. Once the call forward function has successfully been set, if you wish to disable it, go back to the settings page and switch the function to disabled. There is also the option of dynamic forwarding, so you can forward calls while your phone is ringing. While the phone is ringing, press the forward soft key, then enter the number you want to forward the incoming calls to. Finally, press the send soft key to complete forwarding, and the LCD screen will display a call forward message.